movement literally lines the streets on Usman Road in Chennai. Now this busy and bustling place gets a new addition. A Tanishq store and 20,000 square feet of it spread over 3 floors. Stocked with exquisite gold and diamond jewelry, this large format showroom is a part of the company's commitment to increasing its market share. Titan Industries is planning a 100 crore rupee capital expenditure during the current financial year. The branded jewelry market in Chennai is worth about 4,000 crore rupees, and Tanishq has a market share of about 4%. It would be interesting to see how they get a foothold in a space where loyalty to traditional jewelers is generations old.
Hello, I'm here to meet Mr. Bhaskar Bhatt, Managing Director of Titan Industries, and Mr. C.K. Venkatraman, Chief Operating Officer of the Jewelry Division. Bhaskar, tell me, how has the year been so far for your company?
The year has been pretty average, if you ask me. Satisfaction is a state of mind. I guess we've done better than most others, but we have not done as well as we wanted to. We are ahead of target in terms of bottom line. Even as of the first quarter, we were way ahead of our profit targets.
So you've been in the industry for quite a while. What lessons and challenges have you learned in different parts of the country that you would bring home to Chennai for your employees?
I think over the years, we've realized that we started life as a retailer which was an enabler for the brand, which was, for the Titan brand, the watch showroom the exclusive store was bringing alive the brand at retail. And it was like demonstrating to the market how you could retail watches. But eventually it became a business. And we treated it as a business for a while, as a sales outlet and so on. But more recently, in the last few years, we've realized that it's really about the customer. Translating that into the jewelry business, particularly in Chennai. Chennai is where, this part of Chennai is where customers really shop for jewelry. For ages they've been doing it. You can't really put the customer first if your store staff doesn't put the customer first. And therefore, you have to put the store staff at the center of all your work.
Let me move to Mr. Venkat. Venkat, my next question is about the challenges that you've faced.
See, the jewelry industry in India is a very ethnic industry. So the Punjabis, like Punjabi stuff, and the Maharashtrians like Maharashtrian stuff. And we were the first national brand which was seeking to become the leader in this industry. And for Tanishq to be successful in Punjab as well as in Maharashtra, it had to be good, become good in both. And the whole journey is about that balance between ethnic jewelry and the constantly evolving modern Indian consumer.
So tell me, how big is the jewelry business and what portion of that pie is yours?
In our sense, the jewelry industry is expected to be in the ballpark figure of 130,000 crores in 2015. From 80,000 crores today, that's about 60% kind of growth. And in that scenario, we're looking at our division hitting 10,000 crores in that year, which would be tripling of our current size.
Oh, that's exciting times.
And in our industry growing at 60%. So we are expecting to double our share from today's situation 5 years hence.
Well, congratulations again on this launch, Mr. Venkatraman, Mr. Bhaskar. Thank you for joining us and welcome to the city.
Thank you very much.
Join me, Rajiv Lulla, every week as I bring you all the latest news from the world of business. So until next week, goodbye.
Thank you.